Hey everyone, Vince here. Today we're checking out some money-making apps that will pay us to play games. But are they actually worth our time? Let's find out together. I hope you enjoy. First up, we have CashDream. Play and earn rewards. So this is what CashDream looks like when you first launch it up. At the top of the screen, you have your account balance of diamonds. And straight away, you'll notice that the minimum payout is 1 cent USD currency. At the bottom of the screen, you have the various tabs available, such as the account, invite, payout, and history. Tapping on payout is going to reveal the full cash out list here, at least here in Australia. In my country, I only have PayPal cash outs available, and that starts at 1 cent USD, and it goes all the way down to $15 USD, everyone. The general consensus here is that 27,000 of these coins or so equals $1 USD. But you see, the thing that's unique about CashDream is that they actually have like an item system. Next to the account balance area, if you tap on the little chest, it's going to take you to the bonuses area. And now this is where the app really does get pretty in depth. Essentially, the more treasure chests that you unlock by watching advertisements, the more rewards or discounts you can actually earn. But it does make me think if they've actually artificially increased their cash out minimums to try and push people towards watching ads to get these rewards that you should have really had at the start anyway, if they fairly priced their cash out minimums. And right now I have a whole bunch of these little bonuses available, with the maximum being around 2.5% of either bonus cash or cashback reward. There's even a discount there for 2% as well. All in all, it is a pretty cool little system. I just hope they haven't really jacked up those prices, where let's say $1 could have been around 21,000 of the diamonds instead of 27,000 by default. It does make sense though, everyone. They implement this feature to try and get more people to use it. Pretty straightforward stuff. In fact, let me watch all the bonuses now for today. This is what the actual chest selection area looks like, by the way. I'm just going to tap on the red one here, and it just nabbed me a 0.5% cashback reward, as well as a 0.5% discount. So now I can actually upgrade the cashback reward to 1% if I wanted to, which I will do now. Okay, and that is done. So now let's go back to watching more bonuses. Okay, now that's all done, we have some extra bonuses here that we can actually merge and upgrade. So we'll do that now, everyone. Alright, sweet. So the best one I have at the moment is a 3% bonus, as well as that 2.5% cashback and 2.5% discount. I just quickly wanted to say, if you enjoy what I do here on YouTube, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support is outstanding, and I really do appreciate it. Hoping to hit 200 likes today. We'll see what happens. So, now you know how the bonus system works, let's move on to the games. Tapping on the Earn Money button will bring us to a Playtime Rewards area, and in this area we have various options to either generate diamonds by playing games for a certain amount of minutes, or completing specific levels on the game. For Chain Cube 2048, I can get up to 18,000 of these diamonds in total. And yes everyone, this is a play per minute system, so the longer I play, the more diamonds I actually earn, which again is exactly what I like to see. But when it comes to Aquarium Land, you'll notice it's a per level system. So this indicates that we have to actually get to certain levels to get those large amounts of diamond rewards. And something to be absolutely clear about, these prices are generally only a few dollars USD. So realistically, the pay rates on CashDream really aren't the best that I've seen. They're probably around middle range to a little bit lower than mid, in my opinion. I do like the incentive of coloring in pictures to try and earn diamonds, such as the color by number one that's willing to give thousands upon thousands of these diamonds if we actually color in a certain amount of pictures. But when you break it down, all three of those games at the end of the day, we're only going to give around $5 USD in total if we're lucky. Since I have 242 diamonds right now, let me show you what happens when you cash out and how you can apply the bonuses. So us playing this little 2048 merge game for a little bit should give us a few diamonds ideally, okay? In fact, now that we're back, you can see my balance is updated to 529 of the diamonds. Here is my earning history, by the way. You're going to notice that we've actually managed to go through and play a few games to earn a few thousand of these diamonds. All in all, CashDream did record all my gameplay time. Now let's withdraw that 1 cent. And here's where we can actually apply those bonuses. So I want a 3% earning bonus, which gives me a 9 coin bonus there. And I also want a cashback reward, which also gives me 7 diamonds back. So you can imagine when you have a bigger withdrawal, how that actually will affect it, okay? Pretty cool. So I am very happy to say when I withdrew on CashDream a few days ago, I was paid out instantly without any problems whatsoever. Again, an increase on the diamonds that you earn from playing the games would be nice, but at least now you know about CashDream. Let's move on to the next app. Next up, we have Spacey, earn real Bitcoin. Spacey's an interesting little application, everyone, okay? It's one of these little Bitcoin Satoshi earning apps where essentially you take your little astronauts and spaceships to go mine asteroids around the universe. Now, this is what the most basic setup looks like here, okay? On the right side of the screen, you have your real life Satoshi that you can cash out at any time. And the top left corner of the screen, premium currency and in-game coins. So right now we have a little asteroid that I can tap on. First of all, we have to scan the asteroid. Tapping on scan, we can either hurry up our scan by paying for it with premium currency, or just waiting the time out. So now that we've scanned the asteroid, we can send our ships to mine it. These ships are called outposts, okay? Now I'm gonna send my best outpost to go mine this little asteroid. And there we go. So at this point, all we need to do is wait, and those little ships should go back to the outpost, and there we have it. There's our first Satoshi on the video here. So let's grab that now. And now we have 6 Satoshi. Now, Spacey's a very, very in-depth little application, okay? I need you guys to understand what you're seeing is the face value, and I really can't go through all of the different options on this app because it's one of those progression games where you have to play it for a long time to really get the best rewards, in my opinion. But I've just earned another Satoshi as we speak, and now we have another in-game item here of premium currency. So this is called a star fragment. We can use these star fragments to actually upgrade our home ship. It's now gonna level up our little home ship here, and there we go. It's grown a bit, and now I have access to additional outposts. So essentially, the more we upgrade the mothership, the more upgrades we get overall. There's even a galaxy map where you can go through each of the clusters available, and each of these clusters may have these little fragments. So on this cluster that I'm currently in, I'm fairly sure there are 5 of these fragments available. There is also a task system. Here I can complete my task by building 2 outposts. That purple premium currency is called credits, okay? And these credits can be spent for unlocking chests that have rewards in them, or you can just purchase in-game coins. And you do this in the way of purchasing instant boosts, and of course the lucky boxes. There's even a research lab where you can go through and research various upgrades for your ships. This is what I was trying to say, everyone. It's a very in-depth little app. My advice to you as well is always use the 2x speed increases by watching ads. You can do temporal jumps as well, which is pretty much like an ascension, where you give up a lot of things, but then you gain permanent increases to earnings. But you guys are more than welcome to investigate yourself. What you're probably wondering though is, does it actually pay you? So everyone, this is the withdraw screen, and at the moment there are 500 Satoshis available per day that you can actually withdraw. You need to have a Zebedee wallet, and tapping on the redeem button has now instantly sent those Satoshis to my Zebedee wallet. And now having a look, you can see that I've been paid out instantly without any issues whatsoever. The only thing is though, 7 Satoshis is barely 1 cent USD. But the fact is, everyone, it does 100% pay. So completely up to you if you want to use it or not, but now you know about it. Last up, we have WordsToWin, earn real Bitcoin. This is what WordsToWin looks like, ladies and gentlemen. It literally is one of these games that promises to give you real Bitcoin currency for spelling words and matching them. Top right corner of the screen, you have your real Satoshis, and then we have the in-game currency for hints. Now, I'm currently on level 19 at the moment, and pretty much this is all the application is, okay? I'm sure you guys have played this type of game before, by the way. All we need to do is match the words together. As you can see, we can fill up the screen. I mean, I will say it does get your brain thinking a bit, but when it comes to the actual money generation, I definitely feel like it's lacking big time. Once you actually complete a level, it allows you to claim your Satoshi. Now, tapping on that, of course, it's going to play an advertisement, which you pretty much have to be used to by now when you play these type of games anyway. Now that I watched that advertisement, I've earned almost 1 Satoshi. What I noticed though is that it usually hovers between half a Satoshi or 1 Satoshi, which in the grand scheme of things is really not that much at all. That's like almost 100 levels, by the way, because heading over to the cash out screen, the minimum amount is 100 Satoshi. While supposedly you can cash out via Cash App or your Lightning Network or Coinbase, having that 100 Satoshi cash out minimum is brutal. Can you imagine trying to go through either 50 or 100 of these levels, get barely 10 or 20 cents? It just doesn't seem worth it to me. So while I don't necessarily think WordsToWin is a scam, I just don't think it's worth your time right now. You guys do with that information as you will. I will speak to you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my channel for almost 1,000 money making reviews. Stay safe out there.